But in this question, see here, what they give 2p plus 3q gives rise to r. They're asking to get the ROR and rate of formation of the R. This one, rate of formation of the product and rate of the reaction. Q is given, time in second is given, and this is the angle theta is given. But get the value of slope. If you are able to find out the value of slope, that is nothing but the tan theta, right? And the tan theta is nothing but it is a concentration of D concentration of Q with respect to time. Sir, what is Q here? It is decrease in the concentration. But a decrease in the concentration of reactant means I can say it is dQ by dt. It is a dQ by dt. And what is the tan theta we should get? If it is 45 given, get the value of this theta. I think it is a equal to somewhere 135, 40 plus 30, 70, 80, 180. That means tan 135 value if you solve, it is equal to what beta? That is equal to -1. So I should write dq by dt. It is equal to slope that is equal to tan theta and tan 135 value that will come as a -1. So I should get dq by dt value is equal to -1. Sir, can we say mole per liter per second? Yes, sir. This is the mole per liter per second. Chalo. For these reactions, sir, can you write ROR? Yes, sir. How? ROR equal to -1 by 2 D concentration of P by dt. Beta, it is equal to -1 by 3 D concentration of Q by dt. Beta, it is equal to what? Plus 1 by 1 D concentration of R by dt. So this is the value I got for here, and they're asking to get the ROR. Can you compare these two? Yes, sir. But our ROR equal to -1 by 3 D concentration of Q by dt. But what is the value of minus dq by dt? -1. But a -1 is given there, and what we are having -1 by 3 is there. So directly we can say dq by dt equal to -1. Shall I write here? -1 by 3 into D concentration of Q by dt, that is equal to -1 by 3. Check beta, value of dq by dt is equal to -1. So -1, it become a plus 1 by 3 mole per liter second inverse is a value of ROR. The first one I got it. So second one they're asking get the formation of R. Beta, where it is, where it is, where it is. So whatever the R is there, same is the rate of formation of R is there. So second one, R is equal to rate of formation of R with respect to D. Hence rate of formation of R with respect to D is equal to ROR. That is also same 1 by 3 mole per liter per second, right? So this is another graphical representation which help us to solve that rate of disappearance of the reactant as well as the rate of formation of the product. Is it clear? But whatever the thing they have given in the graph, first get the slope of it. Once we'll get the slope, that is the concentration of that particular term given in the graph, right? Please take a screenshot of this one also. But this is another question where 2a plus b gives rise to 3c. They're asking to us get the ROR at 5 second and ROD of a at 5 second. First of all, get the R beta, rate of reactions. That is equal to -1 by 2 D concentration of A by dt minus D concentration of B by dt beta plus 1 by 3 D concentration of C by dt. Right, from this graph we are able to find out the slope, and this is nothing but the value of D concentration of B by dt, that is equal to slope, and slope is equal to tan theta. But a tan theta mein you can see this value I am going to get here. How much, sir? 150. But a 150 means it is equal to tan 150. So tan 150 can be written as tan, what is that, a 180 minus 30, that is equal to minus of tan 30. But it is equal to the value I'm getting as a 1 by root 3, right? As a value we got here as a minus of 1 by root 3, that value is nothing but the concentration of dB by dt. We got it here. They are asking ROR. But ROR we can compare with this one. Chalo, the first part. So rate of reaction is equal to minus of D concentration of D by dt. But this minus 1 by root 3 is a value of dB by dt. So it is a minus of 1 into dB by dt is nothing but a minus of 1 by root 3. It equal to plus 1 by root 3. So the mole liter inverse second inverse is a value of ROR. First one I got it. So once we got the ROR, can we get the ROD? Compare it with of A. So this one with the A. If you are comparing with this one with the A, R is equal to minus of 1 by 2 D concentration of A by dt. But a minus of D concentration of A by dt is a rate of disappearance of A. Rate of disappearance of A means this whole term minus D concentration of A by dt, that is equal to 2 times of ROR. So it is a 2 times of 1 by root 3. It is equal to plus 2 by root 3 mole liter inverse second inverse is a value of rate of disappearance of A. I hope both the value you got beta. One is a ROR, another one is a rate of disappearance of A. Right? Take a screenshot of this one.